Hello friend, this is Sarvesh and you're watching New Step Tech. Friends, today we are going to discuss with this printer problem because right now in this printer two red light are blinking. Paper red light and ink red light, both red light are blinking together. So friends, what's the problem in this printer? We will find it now and we will solve it within 10 minutes. So just I would like to request you that please subscribe my channel and like the videos if you are new on my channel, and we will solve this problem easily within 10 minutes. So how we can find the problem, that what the problem is going on with this printer. So friends, let's start with the computer screen, that how we can find the problem, that what the problem is going on with this printer. Basically just I would like to tell you all that this type of printer, it means like 3110, 3115, L3156, all types of printer which is like in this model shape design, either that is black, white, blue, there is no different inside of the printer, only its model shape is different outer of the printer, but inside all the printer are same. So friends, how we can find what the problem is inside of this printer? So I mean every types of problems, like either in hardware problem or software problem, in both case both red light are blinking. So how we can find it, that what the problem inside is this printer, that here is the hardware problem or a software problem in this printer. So how we can find it? Let's go on the computer screen and see that how we can find the problem. Command to your computer, and at the time when two red light are blinking in your printer, at the time a message will appear here, and you can find that what the problem is there in message. You can read that and you can send me that screenshot to WhatsApp to me, and I will also give you time to solve that problem, that how you can solve that. But the second way is that you can click here on a start menu here, and then click device and printer here, device and printer, and after that you need to right click here, not click, right click here, and then on your printer you need to right click on your printer model and then click printing preference option here. After clicking here, just you need to click on maintenance option here, and after that finally you need to click here option status monitor 3 here. So if you will click here, you will get the problem here, all type of problem. If there is any error code, if here is coming any error code like 34004 00031 00043 00041, this type of error code is appearing here on your screen, at the time you need to understand it that there is the hardware problem in your printer. When you are getting this message, service required, a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life, please contact Epson support. It means you need to understand here that there is a software problem in your printer. And when this type of screen is coming, this type of message is coming on your computer screen, simply you need to take the screenshot of this one and you need to send me by WhatsApp. Friends, when you will send this me by WhatsApp, I will support you. I will tell you that how you can resolve this problem yourself. So if you are getting service required, you can contact me. And friends, if you are getting this message, it means service required, you need to contact me by WhatsApp number which I have given you here. You can contact on this number to me by WhatsApp or by call, and you all can send this message, what the message is coming on your computer screen, on my WhatsApp. I will support you, I will provide you software, and in all printer, either that is L3110, L3115, L3116, in every printer model which Epson launched the new ones, like L3115, L3150, like this type of printer, in every printer this software will work, and you all will get solution within 5 to 10 minutes. So if you have problem, you can contact me. Right now I am going to solve this problem live here, and you will see that how with the software I can solve this problem of this printer, and it will be working within 5 minutes. So let's start and solve this printer, and let's see that the problem service required is coming or not. So just we are seeing here that in printer both red light are blinking now, and once again we can check it from by device and printer. Now right click on the your printer, and then after select printing preference, now in maintenance and click status, and after that we are getting here service required right now. So friends, as we have seen that here is service required is coming. Now we need to open this software, which is Epson reset tool. Here ADZ program, we need to open this software, and after opening this software, just what we have to do here, we need to understand here that the red light, both red light are blinking here, and service required is coming on computer screen. Now here we need to select here, and after selecting that, we do not disturb anything else here. Only after selecting, click OK just. And then after select West ink pad, once again I would like to tell you all, select, then OK, and then once again select particular adjustment mode. It means select then particular adjustment mode. Then after West ink pad counter, here there are many types of option, but we need to select West ink pad counter, and then after just we are seeing here that both then select West ink pad counter, then OK, and we need to select both of them. It means tick on both point, main pad counter, platen pad counter, and then after we need to initialize here. Here is the initialize button. When we will click the initialize button, and then after we need to press OK key. Within a few moment, it means within 3 or 5 seconds, we will get another pop-up here. Please restart the printer. When we restart the printer, if we will press OK, then once again it is coming here. So I am telling you all that here is the printer power button. We need to press it to turn off the printer. First turn off the printer, and then once again turn on it. When you will turn on again your printer, then it will be ready. But before turning on your printer, you need to press OK and close all the things on your computer screen, and then turn on your printer. So friends, finally you will see that there is no light blinking here on your printer, and your printer is ready now to print. So close these things. It means click the finish button, then close these softwares, then also close this software, close the folder. Now we can check our printer status that it is ready or not. But before it, we are seeing here that there is no red light blinking, and power button is also stable right now. So we can check once again the status of our printer, then maintenance, and then check Epson status. We will get here ready. So friends, our printer is ready right now, and you also can repair your printer with this software. So friends, now printer is ready, and here we are getting the ready message on the computer screen, where we were getting here service required message, but now here we are getting that printer is ready to print, and this printer is ready now because here you were seeing before some time that both red light were blinking, and this were also, but right now both of them are not blinking, and here we are not getting service required message. It means totally this printer is ready. I didn't open this printer from here. There was no any hardware problem. There were only software problem, which I have solved with the software. Already you have seen here live. So right now I would like to check it, the printout, that how it is printing or not. So finally I would like to tell you that please like the video if the printout comes out from the printer. So let's check here. Now just I would like to check it with nozzle check. So here we can click nozzle check, and then after a few moments here need to click print, and we are seeing here that this printer is doing something and printing now. So friends, now the printer is printing, and it is also your responsibility that you like my videos and subscribe my channel. For the future, I will give you more and more and more videos about the printer hardware and software problems. So friends, you can see here that nozzle check has done and the printout coming here. So this printer is ready now, and now you need to subscribe my channel. We also can check it here with Xerox. So now pressing the black and white button. So friends, it is also ready to Xerox. Friends, if you have any problem in printer repairing, in software problem, in service required, you can contact me and just send me WhatsApp message on your computer screen what the message is coming on your computer screen. I will provide you the videos link on that what video you can see to solve your problem. Thank you.